Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna teach you volumes. So, for example, how much centimeters could enter in this cube, for example. If this one side is 8 centimeters. So this example here will be a cube. Yeah, it's the simplest, in my opinion. You can try this one too. It's gonna be 3 to the fourth power, which equals to 27. Take your time, take your time. So now that we got this is our very important formula. What is the volume of a cuboid? Well, it's complicated, but it's length times width times height. Some of you kind of expected it if you saw this one. So let's go on from this. That's on 5, I don't know what it looks like that. So this is 7 times, take your time, I'm not pushing it, 3 times 5, which is 21 times 5, it's just 105, right? Yep, 105. So here we got our volume. So yeah, let's put this. This is the most important thing. Sorry that I didn't upload as much, but I really didn't have time. So what's about a theta hero? Well, in this case, it's a cubed over 6 square root of 2. So how much is this? I don't know what that approximate sign does, but I'm just gonna erase it. I don't know what it is here at all. So what is the volume of theta helium with 5a? So this is gonna be 5 to the 4th power over 6 square root 2 equals to 125. 6 square root 2. We can't simplify this anymore. You can't. But let's just put this in a square so remember. So we can't simplify this. If it would be divisible by 6, it would be probably possible. But now it can't. That's the most we can do. What about the square pyramid? Well, this will be simple. 1 over 3 times the base, which in this case it's a, times the height. Then, what's the volume? I always forget to do this. What's the volume from this shape? This will, if you check the formula out, 1 over 3 times the base, which is clearly 3, times 10. And these two cancel, and this leaves us with 1 times 10, which is just 10. Here we got our volume. Next up, we've got a rectangular pyramid. Well, this is pretty straightforward, and you get it. It's A, or base, whatever, times B, in this case, this, times the height. I won't give an example for this because I'm bored. So what about a sphere? What about it? It's complicated, a bit, but I can still show you how it's done. It's pretty fun. 4 over 3 pi r, not squared but cubed. Yep, this is a bit more complex. Let's go and talk about this. I'm giving you time, don't you worry. So 4 over 3 times pi 1 square, which is just 4 over 3. We can approximate that pi is 3, so this would be 4 over 3 times pi. I forgot to put here pi. This is approximately 4 over 3 times 3. And the 3 with the 3 cancel out and choose letters with approximately 4. It's an approximation. Don't forget, it's around. What about the hemisphere? I think everybody can agree that this is just a half. So 2 over 3 times pi r cubed. Don't forget about this formula. It's more complicated, I know. It starts being harder and harder. Well, don't you worry. This will be 2 over 3 pi, which will approximate, of course, times 10 cubed equals to, no, it's approximately, let me do that, 2 over 3 times 3, times 1000. And the 3 is cancelled, and this left us with an approximation of 2 times 1000. Oops, didn't want to do it like that. My handwriting on computer is pretty bad, which is approximately 2000. And here we got our answer. It's an approximation, so this is not real. So what about triangular prism? Or yeah, this is what it's called. It's complicated, isn't it? It has to be hard. It's 1 over 2 times p, which in our case will be this one, so the base b not an h, times the height. This will be our height, you can see it, times the length, which is this one here, you know, yeah, and length. So, what is this? Well, take your time if you want to solve this, of course. You look at the formula, it's 1 over 2 times the base, so the base will be 3 times the height, which will be 3, no, which will be 2 times the length, which is 15, exactly, not an approximation. So yeah, this is it. Now an hexagonal prism is still, you won't use it anymore, but sure, you can stay here. Okay. So this is 3 square root of 3 over 2 times the apophthegm squared, if you can believe it, times the height. How this will be 3 square root 3, which is the square root over 2 times a squared, which will be 9, so 3 squared, which is 9, times our height, which is 7, equals to 3 square root 3 over 2 times 63, and it really is a nice to approximate more. But what about a cylinder? This will be actually pretty simple. It's PR squared. Oh, that's the area of a circle times the height. Now I leave this to you. You have to solve it. Bye.